The next Mishnah begins with discussing the responsibilities that someone has when they light a fire on their property to ensure that it does not spread to somebody else's property. So the Mishnah begins like this. Avra Goder Shu Gavaya Dalad Amis. If, let's say, someone lit a fire on a wall that is 4 amas high, so there's got to be 4 amas from the wood to the top of the wall, and he lit a fire over there, and the fire managed to go over the wall and catch his neighbor's stuff on fire. In such a case, he's pater, because that is considered to be a responsible way to have a fire. The Mishnah gives another example. Oy derech harabim, or if a fire crossed over a public pathway, which is a 16 amma wide piece of land. It doesn't necessarily have to be a public walkway, but it's got to be 16 amas. That is the measurement of a derech harabim. And he lit a fire on one side, and the fire managed to get over and light his friend's property on the other side on fire. Pater, likewise, he is pater in that case. And the Mishnah now gives a third example. Oy nohar, if it crossed over a river, and a river, the Gemara will explain, is 8 amas wide, and if he lit a fire on one side, and the fire managed to get over and light his friend's field on fire, in that case also he is pater. That is the Mishnah. The Gemara begins by citing a brisa. In our Mishnah we learned that if a wall was 4 amas high, and he lit a fire there, he's pater. And the Gemara asks a question that we have a brisa. Vatanya, we learned in a brisa, Avra Geder Shuhu Gavoya Arba Amis Chayev. It's the exact same case as the Mishnah, and the brisa says in such a case he's Chayev. How in the world do you reconcile it? The Mishnah says he's pater, and the brisa says in the exact same case he's Chayev. So the Gemara brings down an answer from Rav Papa. Amar Rav Papa, Tana Didan Kachashiv Milmaila Lamata. Our Tana was calculating, and the way he was speaking was going from a very tall wall and moving down. Sheish amas pater. If a wall is 6 amas high, he's pater. Chamesh amas, let's say it's 5 amas high, pater. He's pater. Ad arba amas, until 4 amas, pater. He's pater. So everything from above, from 6, 5 till 4, you're pater. 4 and 4 and including 4 is pater. Tana bara, the Gemara says the Tana of the brisa milmata l'mayla kachashiv was starting from a lower wall and going up. Shtei amos chayev. If you have a wall that's 2 amos high, he's chayev. Shalosh amos. If it's 3 amos, chayev, he's chayev. Ad arba amos, until 4 amos, chayev, he's chayev. But when he says ad arba amos, means until 4 amos, but not including 4 amos, he's chayev. So the Tana of our Mishnah, when he says pater, means ad va'ad b'chal, 4 and including 4 is pater. And the Tana of the brisa, when he says 4 amos is chayiv, means until 4, but not including 4 itself. Since everything before he was talking about was chayiv, so when he says 4, over there he means 4 and not including 4 is chayiv. But Papa explains that really the Tana of the Mishnah and the Tana of the brisa both agree that you are going to, that 4 amos is going to be pater. The question is, when they say until 4 amos, does that mean ad ve'ad b'chlal, until 4 amos and including 4 amos, which is what our Mishnah holds, until 4 amos and including 4 amos is pater, and the brisa holds ad v'loy ad b'chlal, that when we say ad, it means until, but not including the 4 that we say. So ad 4 and not including 4, because 4 will be pater. So you're chayev until 4 and not including 4, because 4 you will be pater.